Hello everybody, my name is Ethan Moon-Puente, otherwise known as Chief Dynex, and today I'll be doing some example white cross solves for you, some walkthrough solves. And today I will be doing 3 solves. All of them will be for white, because I'm color neutral, but a lot of people start off with white, so I'm going to do white solves. I'm going to do 3. All 3 scrambles will be in the description, so let's get started. I scramble white on top, green facing the front. So this is the first scramble. I'm not very fast at scrambling like some of the other people, so I'm sorry. But so this is our first scramble. So I see that we have 2. So I start looking for the edges. I see there's 2 here and there's 2 here. Now, again, I'm not exactly the best cuber also, so I don't solve the best way, but I'd take this green and I'd bring it up here. I'd line up the blue and bring the green down. Then I'd see the orange here, which I can insert like this, and then the red like that, and then that's green. Now, the first pair I would see, or that's the white cross, the first pair I see is this one. So I'd solve that one, and then I would see this pair here. Solve that with a quick little algorithm. Then I'll solve this pair here, which I solve like this. It's the reverse of the one I just did. And then I'll see this pair here, which I will solve like that. Now I see that right there, and then we have a U perm. Oh, I did the wrong one. Okay, I'm sorry guys. Okay, now we have the Z perm, so. Alright, so now scramble number 2. Okay, I'm sorry, 1 second. Okay, we got R2, F2, D prime, D2, U2, R2, there's L2, R2, D prime, R2, U2, R2, F2, R prime, B prime, F. L prime. Hey, this is scramble number 2. I'm gonna pause it real quick. Okay, so I'm back now. I'm writing the scrambles down, that way I can put them up later on the description box. So now, so this time we have our edges here, 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 and here. So now, okay, so this would be an interesting cross, but looking at it, I see I can insert green like that. Now, actually, I think I'd bring the blue up first, insert the green, then insert the blue. Now, that would bring the red over here, which puts that in position, and then it's a quick insert for the orange. So now, the first pair that I would see after finishing the cross would be this pair here. So I would go ahead and solve that pair. Then I would see the pair here, and I know that this can't be the piece and this can't be the piece because they're both yellow, so I know that the piece is back here. So I would bring that one up, separate it, and then insert that in. So now I would see this pair here. So now we can solve that one, rotate, and do that. Now the last pair is here, which it goes in like that. Now I don't know full OLL, I do 2-look OLL, so I would see the fish, which I did the wrong one to solve. And now this, again, I don't know full PLL just yet. This leads to the Z perm though. So there's that one. So now, one more time, I'm gonna pause it to write down the scramble. And now I'm going to scramble it. I should probably fast forward this part. I don't know how to do that though. Like, I don't always do videos, so I don't really know all of the like schematics to it. But okay, so now for this scramble, the first thing I see is this F2L pair. So I'm gonna try to preserve that pair. So I'm gonna try to do the extended cross and this one, which I see how I can do that. Okay, so that's gonna be easy. And then I see these 2 here. So first step I'm gonna do is move this over, drop this piece in, actually move it up twice to move this out of the way over here. Put those 2 in. Now I can insert that pair. Now blue can go in like this, and then orange like that. And now you can see we have this F2 pair already solved. So now first pair C is this one, which we normally solve with the triple sexy, but obviously that's not in the right place. So we got to move both of them out, pair them up, and insert it right in the back. Now I see this pair here, which can be, I know there's a faster way to do this pair, but I don't know it. And then I see this pair here, which can be solved with just like that. Now we have OLL. Again, I don't know full OLL. I've been getting fish cases the whole time. Now we have our perm, or U perm. Now, since it's only 5 minutes, I think I'm gonna do a couple more because I have time. So let's do 2 or 3 more. Let's scramble the cube. This time I scrambled it so y'all didn't have to watch me do it again. But so for this scramble, we have our white piece, our white edge pieces here, 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 and here. Now we see one on the bottom already, and then we see that these two are already positioned to insert, and this one is a quick little insert. So first what I do is line up the orange, put in the blue, put in the red, and then I already see that this pair here was going to be the first pair. So then you just insert the green just like that, and now we have our pair here. So we'll take that out, and then we'll bring it to the back, and then we'll insert it just like that. Second pair I see is this one, which is already set up. Now the third pair, this could be blue and green. This could be blue and red, or green and red, and this is a green and red. So I don't know. So I'm gonna rotate to see this is blue. Now I know that the blue is back here, so I can bring them up, rotate, solve that pair, and now I know that the last pair is here. So now I can rotate and then solve for that pair. Now I do know this case, and now we have a Y perm this time. So there's that one. So now let's scramble the next. So this is our next scramble here. We have, if we look around, this would actually be a really good red cross in my opinion, but we're doing white. I don't know how to do extended cross in this way with the block here, so I'm not gonna do that. But we have edge here, edge here, edge here, and edge here. So first of all, the green one's already paired up, so that's not going to be an issue. So I would pair the blue up first, just like that. Now I know the orange is going to go here, so I can put the orange in like that, and then the same with the red. The red I can insert like that, and then just fix it across. So now that already set up this pair here for a quick insert, like that. Now this pair here is also done. I'm going to rotate and insert it. Now this pair here is an easy insert, and this pair here is already solved. So all we gotta do is take that pair out, like that, and then now we have it inserting in the back, just like that. So now all other pairs are done. So now we can solve yellow, and then this time we have a R perm, just like that. So now I'm gonna try that solve like in a scramble to see how I do, because that was an easy scramble. Alright, so the solve for that, this is the next scramble, but the solve that I just did was 27 seconds, so I'm not too thrilled with that. But you know, it happens. So here's what we have here. We have this scramble. We have a really good red cross. So but okay, so for white, we have here, 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 and then here in the back. So now what we can do for this one is we can insert the red, because the red's already lined up. We can move it opposite, insert the orange here. Now what we can do, I see this pair here, so I'm going to try to preserve that pair. Now as we go to line it back up, we can do that, and then insert it like that. So now the pair, I know it's there, so we can do that pair first. Now we have this pair here in the back here, like that. Oh, I didn't insert the green one. Okay, there we go. So now I have this pair here, which is the first pair that I did, which I can sledgehammer in. Now we see this pair, which we can rotate to put in, and then now we see this pair here, which I will insert just like that. Now we have this case again, And then this time we have an N perm, which I don't know how to solve. So we'll get to a G perm, which I can solve. Just like that. So that is that solved. I'm going to do one more for you guys. Give me 1 second. This is the last scramble I'm going to do for you guys. We're going to do the white cross once again. Now we have our edge pieces here, 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 and here. Now, as I was scrambling, I didn't really I noticed this pair here, but that's like, we can do that if you want. Like, we can connect this pair here. What am I saying if you want? You can't see me. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to insert the green one first to make that pair. And then we can move it over, insert the red. Now we can take that out and then put it in where it needs to go. Do the orange and finish with the blue. So now we have a pair already solved in the back. Now we have this pair here first, just like that. And then we have this pair here in the back. This one in the back here, which we can do like that. And then our final pair is here, which I can do just like that. So now we have this solid yellow. And then it looks like we have another art perm. So I think that's it today. I did 6. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm sorry if this is kind of a weird video. I haven't been posting very much lately, but I've been seriously practicing my Z perm, trying to get faster at it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, if you did, leave a like, definitely comment, and most importantly, subscribe. See you later, guys.